Hello students, in last class we learned what are the file modes and how we can add data in a file or delete a file or read a file. Today we learn how many types of files Python supports. So generally Python allow us to create and manage two types of file. First is text file and second is binary file. First is text file. A text file is usually considered as a sequence of lines. Lines is a sequence of character in ASCII mode. ASCII mode means that characters can be read by a human in normal language, stored on a permanent storage media. As we talk of lines in text file, each line is terminated by a special character known as end of line. So, in a text file, every line is terminated by the special sign which is known as end of line. Same thing in a string, we know that /n is the new line character. So in a line, end of line is terminated by, and in a string /n is a terminated character. Text files are stored in a human readable form and they can also be created using any text editor. So second is binary file. A binary file contains arbitrary binary data such as number stored in a file that can be used for numerical operation. So in a binary file we can perform all numerical operation. So when we work on a binary file, we have to interpret the raw bit pattern, read from the file into correct type of data in our program. To do this, Python provides a special module for encoding and decoding data for a binary file. So binary file contain binary data. All data is stored in generally in numeric format, so we can perform all numerical operation. To do this, Python provides a special module for encoding and decoding of a data for binary file. So Python support two types of file, text file and binary file. Now we will do a example creating copy of a file. How we can create a file copy in a other file. To do this, we use following algorithm. So we will learn this algorithm step by step. So let us consider example. In this example, step 1, open the source file for reading from it. So our source file is abc.txt. So we want to copy abc.txt data into jkl.txt file. So first step, we open our source file as an input mode which is equals to read mode. Second, open a new file for writing purpose. So we open a new file for writing mode. So first is for data will be copied from abc.txt to jk.txt. So jk.txt file will be open in read only format, write only format, and abc.txt file will be opened as a read mode. So step third, in step 1 we open the source file from reading from it and we open a new file for writing purpose. So now we read data from the first file. So how we can read data? In file dot read. So entire file will be read and all data will be stored in I variable. So whatever data is written in abc.txt will automatically save in I variable. Next step is write the data read into the new file. So outfile.write. Now we are writing the data I. So whatever is stored in I variable, all data will be write into jkl.txt. So whatever data we have in abc.txt automatically copied into jkl.txt. So in step 1, first we open the file in read format, then we open the file in write format where we want to copy data then we read data in a variable, then we write data from that variable, and last close the both files, or here we close the both files, in file dot close and out file dot close. To execute this program, first we check what is written in abc.txt. So ABC has today is Sunday, Python is very easy language. So this data we want to copy into jkl.txt. So let's do. So now we are running the program. Run module. So program has been executed. So whatever data is written in abc.txt, it will automatically copy into jkl.txt. Now we will open that jkl.txt file. So same data has jkl.txt. Today is Sunday, Python is very easy language. So from this algorithm we can learn how we can create copy of file in another file step by step, and program is given. Now we will do another method, rename method. By the help of rename method we can change our file name also. To do this we use another module, import OS module. So how we can do this? We will do by this program. So first we will write import OS. Now OS dot rename. So here we want to change abc.txt file into pqr.txt. So abc.txt files will be renamed as pqr.txt. So let us do the example. So file name has been changed. So whenever we want to open abc.txt file, so there is no abc.txt file. All data is written in pqr.txt file. So file name has been changed. To do this we use another module, import.os, because OS module has function rename. So another example is remove method. So you can use remove method to delete the files by supplying the name of the files. To do this we used to import OS module. So we can also delete file by, so code is os dot remove file name. So we will do os dot remove, and we want to delete file pqr.txt. pqr.txt. So we are going to run. So program has been executed. So our file pqr also deleted. So let us search. So there is no pqr file. So remove method definition is written in OS module. So to execute this program we have to import os dot import OS module. So today we learned two types of Python files, text file and binary file. So text file and binary file. After this we learn creating copy of a file into another file, and we'll do an example, and rename method to rename the file name, and remove method to delete the file. Both method we want to use, so we have to use this import OS module. That's all for the day. Thank you.